IPS Kharbanda to share his views with the press and media.
Good afternoon. A very pleasant good afternoon to all my dear and respected my members from the press. First of all, I am really grateful that I kept you waiting for I think more than 40 minutes. But anyway, I was little held up in some official emergency. I think my colleagues, my officers, they have taken care. I think they had their lunch or they are yet to have.
So we will have it after this.
Okay, okay.
So it's next.
So you can see our hardworking faculty members of this prestigious institute. They are working for the last more than 4 or 5 months for this tomorrow's event, which is going to held in Mohali, and our very hardworking students, they had worked very hard, and you won't believe that our students, even at all India level, people are looking after the pass outs from this prestigious institute because of the standard of our faculty of institute. The placement level is full, and people, the industrialists, because a few days back I was at Ludhiana. Even I met 2-3 industrialists from Delhi. They were speaking very high of NIFT. They were saying that the time will come, this institute will touch number 1 in India, and till date we are number 9. With your good wishes and the hard work by our students, it will definitely touch number 1, and the time is, its reverse count has started. So now I will request the respected members of press if they can ask anything, because tomorrow is Anukama, and I think Mr. Brar had little bit brief about tomorrow's function. No,
not yet.
So it's basically tomorrow's functions highlights its 52 collections, I am told, and specific it's on Battle of Saragadi is our main attraction. So I will request the respective members of press that you must attend tomorrow's function at Shivalik School, Shivalik Public School, Phase 6 Mohali. So nowadays, we have improved a lot of things in our institute because it's focusing on fashion designing and textile designing, because the need of hour is to equip with the latest technologies, latest equipments. So there is no dearth of any funds, no problem of funds. So we will take care. We are taking care of the faculty as well as the students. So I think now it's turn of my respective members if they want to ask any questions. So we are there to respond accordingly. Thank you so much. देखिए ऐसा है जी कि प्लेसमेंट 100% होना, लिमिटेड कॉलेजेस इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं इंडिया में जहां 100% प्लेसमेंट होती है. सो दैट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ आवर हार्ड वर्किंग फैकल्टी, and because our students are very intelligent. They are very they work around the clock for this regarding the faculty. और बाकी जो आप कह रहे हो कि प्लेसमेंट तो 100% हो रही है. बाकी पंजाब के या सरकारी कॉलेज में अगर जाना चाहें तो दे कैन गो, बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन देयर स्वीट विल पैकेज वहाँ कितना अवेलेबल है और ये कितने अवेलेबल पे जाने में तैयार है. इट्स बेसिकली टू वे प्रोसेस. क्या चीज जी? नहीं, सुविधा नहीं. ऐसा होता है जी कि जब जॉब कोई निकलती है, सरकारी हो या प्राइवेट हो, जॉब प्लेसमेंट जब होगी, इफ दे वांट टू स्विच ओवर टू एनी न्यू इंस्टीट्यूट, मे बी गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट, दे कैन गो. इट्स बेसिकली लाइक स्टूडेंट्स पे डिपेंड करता है. कोई पैकेज इनको अभी पैकेज 12 lakhs का मिला है, तो अगर कोई इसको 15 lakhs हायर पैकेज दे रहा है और अच्छा वहाँ प्लेसमेंट है, तो आई थिंक दे आर फ्री टू गो, दे आर फ्री टू स्विच ओवर. बेटर पैकेजेस के लिए कोई भी जाता है. basically, I think you must be aware, we have our center in Ludhiana, right? And the third one we are thinking for Jalandhar. What's the plan? Day before yesterday, and now you must be knowing that Government of Punjab has recently launched our industrial policy 2017, and that policy is offering a number of incentives. Chapter 10 of that policy says it's a 100% reimbursement of state GST. There won't be any CLU. The property tax is exempted, stamp duty exempted. Why I am telling you, we have divided the Punjab industry into 8-9 sectors, and one of the sectors is apparel and textile sector. And we are going to make this institute as our R&D base. Like we have auto part R&D center at Ludhiana, that's taking care of auto part industry. We have another R&D center as a sewing machine and cycle R&D center at Ludhiana, that is taking care of cycle industry. On the same analogy, for the textile and apparel industry, we have we are going to make this institute as a R&D center.
Center of Excellence.
This is center of excellence, because for any industry to grow, there has to be R&D. You go to Telangana. Last month I had visited Telangana. Why I am saying, we believe in copying good things, and one should copy. Telangana is doing very good, and they are also having such type of R&D centers. So that's why we thought of making this institute as center of excellence and R&D, so that our Punjab's textile industry can grow. Now the function at Ludhiana, we have invited the textile industry of Ludhiana, so that even they will choose, yes, when they will see the presentation of our students, yes, she or he can be their managers, they are chief managers, they are CEOs also. So the industry will be, there will be a proper interaction, because this is theoretical part. Second is they are to further go to the practical things. So the industrialists will themselves judge. I won't speak, I know it's a good to speak high of them, but let our industrialists, that our textile industry speaks, yes, these are the students which can build their industry.